Just as all keyboards are favored by typists and gamers for their performance and customization, home toilet accessories and fixtures are increasingly appreciated for their functionality, hygiene, and comfort. Today's homeowners look beyond the basic flush. They want smart features, ease of cleaning, and ergonomic support. This guide evaluates products based on usability, quality, convenience, build materials, and value, ensuring your bathroom setup is as modern and efficient as possible. List 1. Populo Electric Toilet Plunger. Swift, high-pressure drain unclogger. The Populo Electric Toilet Plunger is a game changer for modern bathrooms, offering an electric-powered solution to unclog stubborn toilet or floor drain blockages. It delivers swift, high-pressure air bursts that quickly dislodge clogs without the mess of traditional plungers. This cordless device is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for anyone who struggles with manual plungers. It's designed for toilets, but works well on bathtubs, sinks, and even floor drains, offering multi-purpose use. List number 2. Bombvez Electric Spin Scrubber Cordless Bathroom Cleaning Brush. Scrubbing toilets, tubs, and tiles becomes effortless with the Bombvez Electric Spin Scrubber. This cordless cleaning device includes 8 interchangeable brush heads, designed to tackle grime in hard-to-reach areas like toilet bases and corners. With a 90-minute battery life, it powers through deep cleans without slowing down. Its ergonomic design makes it easy on your back and joints. No more bending or elbow grease needed. List number Drive Medical 1148-1 Folding Steel Bedside Commode Chair. Perfect for homes with seniors or those recovering from surgery. The Drive Medical 1148-1 Bedside Commode provides accessible and portable toileting with dignity and safety. Built from sturdy steel, it supports up to 350 pounds and folds compactly for storage. It can be used as a standalone toilet or positioned over existing toilets for added height and support. The non-slip feet and adjustable height provide stability and user comfort. List 4. Lux Bidet Neo 120 Non-Electric Freshwater Bidet Attachment. The Lux Bidet Neo 120 is a popular upgrade for traditional toilets, adding hygiene and comfort without requiring electricity or expensive remodeling. It attaches easily under your existing toilet seat and connects to your water line, offering a gentle, adjustable water spray for effective cleaning. The self-cleaning nozzle ensures hygienic operation, and the sleek, chrome knob design looks modern and upscale. List number Udele Adhesive Shower Caddy 5-pack Stainless Steel Organizer. While not a toilet itself, the Udele Shower Caddy set enhances overall bathroom organization, making daily routines easier. This 5-pack of adhesive stainless steel organizers includes baskets, soap holders, and hooks that stick securely to smooth surfaces without drilling. Ideal for organizing bathroom essentials like toilet cleaners, wipes, or personal hygiene products. These rust-proof units hold a surprising amount of weight,